Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, 15-minute chart of the ES, and I'm going to zoom this thing out in a minute. But what I wanted to say was that yesterday, after some jigs on the open and the close, and you can see that here, we went up, couldn't take out 65. We went down, couldn't take out 56. Then we kind of, that morning dip though, that morning dip was bought, and we ground higher the remainder of the day. So that's something we really got to take a note of. If the market gets back into old habits, you'll see morning dips that get bought and will grind out the day. And the mistake you don't want to make is trying to fight that grind all day long. It makes for a very frustrating day and not a very profitable day. Now, you see up there the two purple lines, 1865, 1867. I didn't draw those last night. I drew those about a month ago. And I'm going to take this chart out. And what you'll be able to see is that, these were charts I was posting on Twitter weeks ago. And what you can see is resistance zone, here. Again, we broke up, then it broke down, then it tested it and failed. That was in the jobs report, went down. Now we've made our way all the way back. Okay, we've round tripped it. So, as we've round tripped it now, we're starting to see it become a little bit of resistance. We traded as high as 66.25 this morning. The bulls have got to get through this area, and ideally they need to get through the area today. The longer they stay up there, the more and more you're going to see something along the lines of this type of action. Confirming resistance. Then you're going to get that little lower high, which is what you got here, and we head lower. So today is an important day. Yesterday was boring. Yesterday was about as boring as it gets. Today should be a little more interesting. We've already challenged 66, so we're in the 65 to 67 resistance zone area, and that area either has to break up above. If it breaks above and it gets confirmed as support, then there's really little to nothing to stop the bulls from going all the way to the 1893 to 1895 area, okay, before they really get challenged. I think you'll see the bears get out of the way. If that area holds as resistance, it opens up a test of middle band. Middle band, I think at this point, is down to about 53.25. That's a must-hold area for the bulls. If the bears turn things around at 66 and push it down to 53.25, that area must hold. If that area breaks, then what you're going to see is a move back down into the 1842 to 1844 area to test some longer-term pivots. Okay, follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. We'd love to meet you. Come get started up with us this week. Take a 2-week trial, and I think we can really help your trading. I think we can help it a lot. I will be back tonight with an evening recap and tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.